everyone, it's Linda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Happy Halloween. I hope you're all having a great day, and whatever your plans are for later, I hope you're safe and have a great time. Today I wanted to do a quick video. I'm gonna be a pirate for Halloween. I don't have my full-on costume yet. I have my boots or my hat or anything like that, but it's my costume. You can find it at Spirit Halloween. And then over here I did some treats that I wanted to quickly show you guys. I did some for my kids and my nieces, and these are so cute. So these are the pet ghosts, and you can print that online, the piece of paper, and then the graham cracker crust, ready crust. I found it at Walmart, and then there are these cute little crust things. And then the cups, you can find them at Walmart, and I was so lucky because they fit perfectly. They're meant to be. So you can find those cups. They're let's see, how many ounce? 18-ounce cups. So let me show you guys. I use Jello to do the filling. So I'm just gonna fill it up. And then you're supposed to use the Ghost Peeps, but I could not find them anywhere. I did find the Reese's Ghosts, so those are the ones that we're using. And I had never seen these before, but I happened to find them at Target when I was trying to find my Peeps. So they're super cute. So that's what we're using. And then the Peeps already have the eyes. These don't. So I was trying to figure out how to do the eyes, and I had sprinkles, so we're using little sprinkles. Now this is kind of tricky to do, but I can show you really quick. I'm using the black little balls to do the eyes. Whoop. So just grab the eye, and then I'm going to stick it on here. Oh, it just fell. Just like that. So I put the eyes with my sprinkles, and look how cute that looks. I also use more sprinkles to put on my pudding to make it look like dirt, just a little bit. And I'm using a candy corn. So I used a pumpkin on this one. You can barely see it. So I'm gonna use a candy corn. Let's see. Just stick it in there, just because it's Halloween. And then I just put my lid. Oops. And there you have it. A cute little treat that your kids will love. So I made 5 of these, and I'm gonna make one more. Another thing, I found these trays on Amazon, and that's where I'm going to put my little treats. I'm also doing some candy corn fruit that I'll be showing you guys how to make. But the tray, it came in a 2-set. So this is a big one, and then I have a little one. But I put glow-in-the-dark spider web, and I also did the ghost Tootsie Roll suckers. Tissue, Sharpie, and then some ribbon I found at Walmart. Super cheap, and the kids love it. And then the spiders, you can find them at the dollar store. So that's that. Put my little ghost there. And that is it. So this is the healthy candy corn, and we just put it together. So basically it's pineapple, oranges, and whipped cream, and I think this is great for parties. It looks like a candy corn. It's called candy corn healthy treats. I suggest you make these because they're so yummy, and I hope you like this video. And again, happy Halloween. Hope you enjoy it with all your friends and family, and don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Have a good one.